Hello, my oil friends. Caroline Lee, doTERRA Diamond Wellness Advocate, coming back to you for some more ideas on how you can use your free frankincense with your 200 per PV order from doTERRA. It's amazing you get this for free. I'm so excited. There's so many people that wait until the end of the year to get this promotion. They stock up with their oils so they can get this $90 oil for free. And so I have been jumping on every day and letting you guys know some ways that you can use it. So I know that we're in the winter time, and so there's a lot of people that, especially when I lived in Colorado, their hands were experiencing really a lot of dryness for the winter air. Some people have scaly looking hands. So frankincense can help you. And so you can add a couple of drops to your moisturizer choice, and you rub it in to hydrate and rejuvenate the skin. Now, you know, combining it with your moisturizer will add a warm, spicy scent to your skin, which you're going to actually really love. Now, when you do your hands, your number 2 is don't forget your fingernails, okay? Whenever traveling somewhere dry, apply frankincense oil to maintain healthy looking fingernails. And you can, by simply just dropping an oil on your nail and rubbing into the cuticles and the edge of your fingernails, this will help your fingernails look healthier, and they'll be stronger even in the driest locations. So please note that. That is just amazing with frankincense. And the third way that you can use frankincense today, okay, you can add it with your deep blue, right? To help manage pain. This is a great one that helps reduce discomfort that you have. You use these in combo together and you will see some nice relief. So with that, take care, my friends. We have one more day of frankincense use, so keep oiling.